Namaste friends, my name is Sandeep. Today we are going to learn standing half forward bend asana, also called as Ardha Uttanasana. Friends, this Ardha Uttanasana is very important practice, especially when you do vinyasa flow or when you do a sun salutation A and B. When you do this asana, actually your back, your torso, your legs gets affected. Friends, when we perform this asana is very good for increasing the flexibility and it has a calming effect. It strengthens the back and also it stretches the torso nicely. Also, it stimulates the organs which are there inside the abdomen. Now, one thing that we have to keep in mind is if you have a neck issue, then keep the head in the neutral position. Don't look too high, don't bring the chin too down. Also, if you have a lower back injury or some kind of spine injury and still you want to do it, you can bend your leg at the knees. Now those who have very tight hip extensors, hip flexors, they can actually keep the legs bent at the knee. It becomes easier for them. Now watch how to do it. A standing asana. Lot of time, if you are new, if you are beginning, then it's better to have some distance between your feet. Don't let the feet come closer, then sometimes balancing can become an issue. And if you are advanced students, it's better to keep the feet together. Feet a little apart. One more thing, friends, I would like to tell is, if you have a very high blood pressure problem, avoid this or keep the head neutral. Don't let the head bend forward. Now, you will bend forward. What we will do is we will keep the hands here by the side of the hip, by the side of the waist, so that we know that we are not bending from the middle back, but we are bending from the lower back. Now, after bending from the lower back, just drop your hands. A lot of people, when they want to keep the back straight, they exaggerate the back by pushing the lower back too much forward. Use the core, make the lower back pelvis neutral and just bend forward. Even if you keep your palms here on the shin, that's fine. No need that your fingers should touch the floor. You can keep the fingers, palms on the shin. If you find this difficult, you can bend the leg and keep the back straight. Because when you bend the leg at the knees, these muscles will relax a little, the hamstrings will relax a little, and it is possible to keep the back straight. Hold like this. If you find that initially it is too strenuous to hold like this, if the legs are not strong, just keep your hands also like this. That is also fine. So, those who have flexible hamstring, they can straighten and keep the back straight. When people place the palm either on the shin or on the thigh, what they tend to do is they tend to bring the shoulders forward. Let the shoulders be rolled behind, away from the ear. Chest is nice and open. Don't let the chest collapse because that will round the middle back. So let the chest be nice and tall. Also, don't place palm on the knee because then the knee can go into a hyperextension. When we are doing this, we are engaging the quads, we are engaging the kneecap, and there is a micro bend in the knee. You hold like this and you bend forward. As we do so, come as much as you can, keeping the shoulders nice and open, allowing the shoulder blades to remain engaged. Hold like this for some time. And then slowly you can keep your hands by the side of the waist and come up. Friends, when we perform this, it is very important that we can bend forward from the lower back. Also, we can come up from the lower back. Especially when we are talking about this asana is actually like this, but how to go and also how to come back plays a very important role. So when you are doing this, when you are bending forward, make sure that you are leaning from the lower back and engaging the core so that the pelvic comes to a neutral state. Don't let the chest collapse. Keep it, if you want, you can keep your hands here and let the shoulders go a little behind so that the chest is open. A lot of people, they bend the head too forward or they lift the chin too high. Don't exaggerate your neck or don't bring the head forward too much where we will find that the blood is gushing towards the head region. It is, what you can keep is the neck can remain neutral, just neutral neck, and just hold here for a while. Keep breathing softly into the diaphragm. If you're comfortable, you can also do this. Hold there for a while and then slowly come back. Friends, if you like my video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe so that you can get all the updates of the new videos that we are going to put. If you have any comments, any suggestions, please do write. If you want us to make some videos on a particular subject, please do write also. Thank you for watching the video. See you soon. Namaste.